Now come to the third question, my dear. Consider the points R of 3, 0, A 0, minus 2, M minus 5, minus 2 and P minus 5, 2. If they are joined in the same order, you have to predict these points. Here the first point is two sides of ramp RAMP points these are that are perpendicular to each other. This we have to predict here. Before that, first we have to take the diagram and we can predict all these 3 points, my dear. Right? Shall we take now? Here I have taken coordinate plane, my dear. Actually, this coordinate plane you have to draw in a graph sheet, my dear. Now here I am taking a rough figure, right? Now select the points in a coordinate plane R of 3, 0. This is 3, 0. You can represent here R. Next one is 0, minus 2. 0. Here this is the origin. So 0, minus 2 will be here. And this is A point. Next one is minus 5, minus 2. Minus 5 is here and minus 2 can be taken in this third quadrant. So this is RAM. M point. This is minus 5, minus 2. Next one is P minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 2 will be here. So here you will get it. Hope you understand, my dear. If you take graph sheet, you can understand very easily. Here it's a rough column. Maybe small error will be there, no issue at all. Now minus 5, 2. Now what he says, if they are joined in the same order as a ramp, RA join here and MA join here. Next, this is P point, MP. Then after you have to join this PR. So this is the diagram we observed. Now his question is two sides of ramp that are perpendicular to each other. So which two sides are perpendicular, my dear? You observe that here it forms some angle. This is obtuse angle. By seeing a rough figure we can understand. This is an acute angle, not right angle triangle. So hopefully you can expect here this is perpendicular. So we can predict here two sides of ramp that are perpendicular to each other. Yes, for the first question, PM is perpendicular to, this is the perpendicular symbol, my dear. PM is perpendicular to MA. I think it's clear. Now come to the second point, my dear. One side of ramp that is parallel to one of the axis. Parallel to one of the axis. One side of the ramp parallel to one of the axis. So here not one of the axis, there are two axes. Here PM is parallel. This is the symbol of parallel, my dear. PM is parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis, you know very well. PM is parallel to y-axis and MA is parallel to x-axis. Okay, hope you understand. Now come to the third point, my dear. Two points that are mirror images of each other in one axis. Which axis will this be? Good question. Now mirror images. So mirror images generally will be taken with the same distance, my dear. By seeing this picture, immediately you can say that P and M are the mirror images. I will tell you what the reason behind this. P of minus 5, 2 and M of minus 5, minus 2 are mirror images. Mirror images. These two are mirror images, my dear. Mirror images is nothing but if you take a mirror, the same distance object and image distance will be same. See here, -5, 2, -2. The same distance will be there. Otherwise, you fold this graph paper with x-axis. Here, one more question he raised here. Mirror images of each other in one axis. Which axis will this be? This is along with x-axis. Along with x-axis, we are framing mirror images. Hope you understand, my dear. This is the third point. So, third problem also completed, my dear.